That burning sensation in your chest. It always hits at the worst time, doesn't it? You're trying to enjoy dinner with friends. Or maybe you're just lying down after a long day. Then it strikes, that painful fire creeping up your throat. You reach for those antacids you keep everywhere. Bedside table, kitchen drawer, car, office desk. Because this acid reflux ambushes you when you least expect it. Sound familiar? You've tried everything, haven't you? Changing your diet, sleeping propped up on pillows, avoiding late meals. Yet here you are, still searching for real relief. Many people struggle with this exact problem. And today, you'll discover exactly how to get rid of acid reflux immediately and prevent it from coming back. But first, let's be clear about something. This isn't just an annoying sensation. It's your body sending an urgent warning. That burning in your chest. It's stomach acid literally damaging your esophagus. Over time, this damage adds up. Erosion of your esophageal lining. Increased risk of esophageal cancer. Chronic cough. Disrupted sleep. Even dental problems as acid reaches your mouth. And here's what most doctors won't tell you. Those over-the-counter pills you pop like candy? They're designed for occasional use, not daily relief. Many actually trigger your body to produce even more acid long-term. You feel better temporarily, but the underlying problem gets worse. This isn't something you can ignore or mask with temporary fixes. Your body is trying to tell you something important. It's time to listen. Here's what actually works, both for immediate relief and lasting results. When you need relief right now. 1. The 4-minute baking soda solution. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in 4 ounces of water. Sip it slowly. Don't gulp it down. The alkaline nature neutralizes stomach acid fast, usually within minutes. 2. The pressure point technique. Press firmly with your thumb about 2 inches below your sternum. Hold for 60 seconds while taking deep breaths. This relaxes the valve that keeps acid in your stomach where it belongs. 3. The position fix. If reflux hits at night, lie on your left side. This simple position uses gravity to keep stomach contents away from your esophagus. It works in minutes. These methods work for thousands of people. But they're just temporary fixes. For real, lasting relief, you need to address the root causes. The 4 hidden triggers of acid reflux. 1. Inflammation. Most reflux isn't caused by too much acid. It's caused by inflammation that weakens your esophageal valve. 2. Gut bacteria imbalance. Recent studies show specific bacterial patterns directly linked to reflux severity. 3. Digestive enzyme shortage. As we age, our bodies produce fewer enzymes to break down food properly. 4. Stress response. Chronic stress triggers hormones that increase acid while weakening your digestive defenses. You could tackle each of these separately. Multiple supplements. Different protocols. It might help, but it's complicated and expensive. There's a better approach that's changing everything for reflux sufferers. Health researchers studying gut health solutions recently discovered a specialized formula addressing all 4 triggers at once. It's called Vivo Gut Pro. What makes this formula remarkable isn't just the comprehensive approach. It's the specific compounds used, all backed by clinical research. A zinc-carnosine complex that repairs the lining of both stomach and esophagus. A specific probiotic strain proven to strengthen the esophageal valve. A plant-based enzymes that break down trigger foods before they cause problems. A blend of adaptogens that regulate the stress-acid connection. The science makes perfect sense. Instead of just neutralizing acid, which your body needs for proper digestion, it targets the actual causes of reflux. The results speak for themselves. In clinical testing, 89% of participants reported significant relief within the first week. Most stopped their prescription medications within a month. Real people are experiencing life-changing results. Maria suffered from nighttime reflux for 12 years. She tried everything, prescriptions, every diet change imaginable, even considered surgery. Within just 3 days, she slept through the night without reflux for the first time in over a decade. James, a 52-year-old executive, had such severe reflux he couldn't get through business lunches without excusing himself in pain. After 2 weeks, Not only did his reflux disappear, but he reported better digestion and more energy than he'd had in years. These aren't isolated cases. Thousands have found relief using this exact protocol. Anyone who's dealt with acid reflux knows how it controls your life. Planning meals around avoiding pain. Skipping social events because of anxiety. Waking up choking in the middle of the night. Living on medications that only mask the problem. It doesn't have to be this way. A complete breakdown of this protocol is available on a dedicated page. Every ingredient. All the research. Real results from real people. Click the link in the description below. This isn't about temporary relief. It's about potentially eliminating acid reflux for good. Don't spend another night sitting upright, hoping the burning subsides. Don't miss your favorite foods anymore. Don't let reflux interrupt another important moment in your life. Take action now. Click the link below. Your future self, the one who's forgotten what heartburn even feels like, will thank you. The solution is waiting. Just one click away.